Introducing a slice of paradise nestled in the heart of Heber City at 1218 South Sawmill Boulevard, Unit 1, 107. Step into this luxurious condo and be welcomed by an elegantly designed kitchen featuring wooden cabinetry, sleek quartz countertops, and a spacious island perfect for hosting. Included are modern appliances like a fridge, stove, and microwave. The open concept layout flows smoothly into a bright, sunlit living area facing south, ensuring a cheerful space throughout the day. The primary bedroom is a retreat of its own with a walk-in closet and a private ensuite, complete with a walk-in shower. This home is more than just a living space with access to premium Homeowners Association amenities, including a pickleball court, clubhouse, and pool. Contact DARIN HECKEL at 435-671-3957 for a tour.